Today, we're comparing 4 of the most popular AI assistants: ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, and DeepSeek. Each has its strengths. Let's break it down. When it comes to deep reasoning and contextual understanding, ChatGPT is currently the strongest, especially GPT-4. It's great for essays, planning, research, and conversation. Gemini is close, but still learning. For developers, who's best at writing code? GitHub Copilot leads here. It's trained specifically for coding and works inside versus code. But DeepSeek also performs well, especially for Python. ChatGPT can code, too, and explain what it's doing. DeepSeek is surprisingly strong. ChatGPT is decent, but can sometimes miscalculate. Copilot doesn't focus on math. Gemini handles logic well, but lacks consistency. Need visuals? Gemini Pro and ChatGPT, with DALL-E, both support image generation. But ChatGPT lets you edit images interactively. That's a big plus. Gemini is fastest and well integrated with Google. Copilot is fast inside dev tools. ChatGPT has a cleaner UI. DeepSeek is powerful, but slower and less polished. No single AI assistant is best at everything. Choose based on what you need. Use ChatGPT for depth, Copilot for code, Gemini for speed, and DeepSeek for logic. Want more AI breakdowns like this? Subscribe to Learning AI Made Easy, where complex AI gets explained in plain English.